Welcome back to All Things DFW, the podcast and video series where we highlight the people, places, and stories that make North Texas DFW an amazing place to live. I'm your host, Matthew Soto with Mustache Realtor Group in Wylie, Texas, and today we're diving into the parks and recreation scene right here in Murphy, Texas. Because if you're thinking about living in Murphy or you already call this place home, you need to know where the fun happens. Our first stop, the heart of Murphy, Central Park. This is more than a playground and a pond. It's a gathering place. You've got wide open lawns, shady pavilions, and a splash pad that keeps kids laughing all summer long. And when the sun goes down, the amphitheater lights up with sounds at sundown, Murphy's summer concert series. Imagine relaxing on the grass, kids running free, live music filling the air. That's community in action. From concerts to quiet, head just a few minutes away to Timbers Nature Preserve. Here, nature does the talking. Walk the trails, cross wooden bridges, watch the ducks glide across the pond. It's peaceful, but still alive with families picnicking, kids swinging, and ball games on the nearby fields. This is where Murphy slows down and where you get to recharge. Want to move? Maxwell Creek trails connect Murphy to Parker, Wylie, and Saxe. Joggers, bikers, dog walkers, everyone uses this greenbelt. It's shaded, it's scenic, and it gives you that small town connected feel. Start your day with a sunrise walk or take the kids for an afternoon ride. Either way, it's proof that Murphy isn't just a place to live, it's a place to explore. And if you're looking for something closer to home, Murphy has a neighborhood gyms everywhere. Avery Park, Water's Edge, Mustang Park, Liberty Ridge, Travis Farm, each one has its own style. Think playgrounds, basketball courts, open fields, and plenty of green space for quick family trips. It's like Murphy sprinkled fun on every corner of the city. Now, let's talk sports. At the Murphy Community Center, you'll find indoor basketball, volleyball, pickleball, and year-round classes. Right next door is PSA Murphy. 8 courts plus indoor turf where youth athletes, youth leagues, tournaments, and practices bring in energy every single weekend. If you've ever wondered why Murphy feels so family friendly, this is the answer. Kids are active, parents are involved, and the community shows up. So whether you're here for a peaceful walk, a summer concert, a youth game, or just a sunny afternoon at the splash pad, Murphy's park and rec scene proves one thing. This city is built for connection. It's where neighbors become friends, it's where families make memories, and it's why Murphy continues to be one of the best kept secrets in DFW. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of All Things. If you've enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's thinking about moving to the area. I'm Matthew Soto with Mustache Realtor Group in Wylie, Texas, and we're here to serve you.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play